Hey guys, and welcome to this tutorial video where I'm going to go over the basics of animation montages so that we can get our fox able to jump and to attack if we have time. So we'll start by going into our animation blueprint, and we're going to drag off the result and type default, and this will give us montage slot default slot, which will allow montages to play on top of our animations. So we'll just do that, connect that, compile, save. Now we're going to go to the root motion folder, and we're going to type jump, and we want to use the root motion one, not the in place one for this. And the reason for that is because root motion basically connects the capsule to the mesh, and we want our actor to be able to we want the capsule to connect to the mesh because otherwise he'll jump up, but the mesh will be in a different spot than the capsule, which controls collision, which means he can't jump over stuff like this wall. So we will right click this, create Anim Montage, and we'll just leave that. And now we're going to go into our blueprints folder and go to our base fox. We're going to make a new custom event by right clicking custom event, and we're going to call it start jump. And now off this we're going to actually get velocity, and we're going to do get vector length, sorry, not get, and we're going to check if it's greater than 0. And the reason for this is because there's 3 jumps and we want to use a different jump depending on his speed. So we'll start with false though, and we're going to drag off false, and we're going to do play montage. We'll just do the upper one, get the mesh from up here to connect that to the in skeletal component, and there's only one mesh, so we'll connect that. Now let's see what happens. Actually, we need to add our inputs. We'll do spacebar, and we'll connect that to start jump. Now let's see what happens if we jump. So as you can see, he's not moving, which is a bit of a problem. So we can fix that we're going to actually use the jump function that comes default in the character class. So our fox is a child of character, so we can drag off this and do jump. And I believe we might want a slight delay there, so we'll do delay, 0.2, jump. And now let's see what this looks like. That looks a bit better. Can maybe slow him down. Let's add a little, you can go to the jump section, and we'll slow his velocity down a little bit, and we're going to also add some drag, sorry, not drag, what is this, damp? No, gravity scale. We're going to change the gravity scale to 0.75, just because I feel like this is kind of stylized, so he should just fall down a bit slower. Yeah, see, that looks pretty good. Now let's make it so that we can do a running jump. So we're going to go back to our root motion, and we're going to type jump. Actually, I think we want to use in place for this. Yes, we want to use in place for this, I think. So we'll do this. Jump forward, and we're going to do create Anim Montage, file, save all. And we're going to Control C, Control V this, and we'll do jump forward montage, connect this, and I'm not sure if this will work right away, so let's give it a shot. That actually seemed to work. It's a bit of a weird jump. It's kind of more like a running jump. Yeah, it looks better running. Let's try the running jump and see how that one looks. Whoops, that was not what I wanted. Create Anim Montage. Let's see what this one looks like. Alright, the jumps are a little crazy on this fox, but that's cool. So we're just going to Control C and Control V this, and we're going to do greater than 200. Hold B to create another branch. Connect this. And we'll make another one of these. And we'll do jump forward and connect this. Alright, so now let me show you what we got. So we can do an in-place jump. We can do a walking jump. And we can do a running jump. Alright, there we go. So in the next video, I'll go over doing attacks. I think that deserves its own video. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.